Dino 4-lane knockout competition. So the rules are simple. 4 cars start at the top, race down the track. We'll try to avoid the trapdoors, and the first one to cross the finish line wins. 2 cars from each race will go through. And because it's a dinosaur race, Safari Funding is here to help me run the competition. Yeah, so I can talk to the dinosaur. What? Are you really going to talk to that dinosaur? No, of course not. I'm going to talk to that dinosaur over there. Really? Why? Because he's our judge today. Oh, okay. So everyone, get into your vehicles.
And let's begin. First up, it's Woody, Mickey, Dr. Strange and SpongeBob.
Ready, go!
Woody managed to stay on the track, but Dr. Strange won the race, so you're into the next round. Second chance to get through for the others.
Ready, go!
Oh, both Woody and SpongeBob are at the finish, so who goes through?
T-Rex, what do you think? He says SpongeBob got there first. He's just a little bit too big for the finish line, but he goes through.
Which means you two are out. Now it's McQueen, Captain Funding, Mike and Jack Skellington.
Ready, go!
And Jack wins, so you're into the next round. Second chance for these 3.
Ready, go!
Wow, looks like Captain Funding just beat Mike to the finish. And you two are out. Thomas, Bumblebee, Nemo and Bugs now.
Ready, go!
Bumblebee's been blocked. Ooh, that was close. Bugs almost won the race, but it was actually Thomas who crossed the line first. Well done. Who else will go through?
Ready, go!
Oh no! Bugs was ahead, but he fell off. So unlucky, Bugs. But it's Nemo who crossed the line, so he goes through. And you're both out. And Mr. Incredible, Catboy, Fix-It Funding and Batman.
Ready, go!
Mr. Incredible's too big to pass through the finish, but he clearly won the race, so he's into the next round. Only 1 spot in the next round left.
Ready, go!
Catboy wins! Nicely done. So you two are out.
So these cars all won that round. Now, 2 cars from each race will make it into the final. Who do you want to win?
Dr. Strange, SpongeBob, Jack and Captain Funding.
Ready, go!
Ooh, SpongeBob was so close to winning that. Let's see it again. He got flipped right at the end, so Jack pipped him to the line. So well done, Jack, you're our first finalist. Last chance for these 3 to make it to the final.
Ready, go!
This time no one could beat SpongeBob, so you're into the final as well. And you two are out. And Thomas, Nemo, Mr. Incredible and Catboy.
Ready, go!
Thomas wins, so you're into the final. Only 1 place in the final left.
Ready, go!
That was fast. Mr. Incredible's closest to the finish line, so he goes through. And you two are out.
So this is it. The final. Between Jack Skellington, SpongeBob, Thomas and Mr. Incredible. 1 race, 1 winner. But who will it be?
Ready, go!
They're off. Oh dear, a few of them have crashed. And SpongeBob has reached the finish line first.
Wow! So the winner of the competition is... SpongeBob! Well done!